So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have an old model split AC of Samsung and the remote of that AC looks like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you have to use your AC from mobile in emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using the AC from mobile, keep in mind that if you have a Xiaomi Redmi phone or your phone supports IR Blaster, then only you can use the AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC anytime offline. So friends, first of all open the Play Store in your mobile. After opening the Play Store, search Mi Remote. Install the Mi Remote. Mi Remote has been installed. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of Mi Remote. Now turn off the data of the mobile and close the application, remove it from minimize as well. Now turn on Mi Remote application. Now touch on Add Remote. After that, main page of Mi Remote app will open. In main page, go to AC symbol. Now make sure that you turn on main supply of your AC. And now search and find Samsung. Now go to Samsung and use mobile in the same way as you use AC remote. And now you can see in mobile screen, checking available configuration 1 to 10. Now you can see green color power button in mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC is making beep sound after pressing power button, does device respond? Then you have to click yes. And if your AC is not making beep sound, then you have to click no. After that, second remote will appear. If your AC is not connecting, then no, and continue this process further. And you have to keep pressing no until your AC is not making a beeping sound. Now if my AC is making a beeping sound for a long time, then I will touch yes. After that, press the power button again. Now you can see in the screen, has the device turned off? So you say yes. Now in the next page, touch the right symbol. After that, the remote of your AC will be completely made. You can easily use almost all the functions of AC in emergency. Believe me that I have done a good practical before making this video. I am uploading this video only when I have been successful in this video. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so please like my video.